y'all, it's Kelly, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you something I was planning on doing last year and I didn't get it done, but what I was wanting to do is make a sweater vase, which is pretty simple. What it is you're just going to want an old sweater that you have, or you could even pick one up at maybe like a thrift shop, but mainly what you're going to need is the sleeves off of it. So if it has like stains on the front itself, then that's fine, because you're just mainly going to need the sleeves. And then any type of jar, glass, it could even be made out of anything. It's just something that you would cover with it. But I have a couple different types of vases, and what I have here is I have this type I thought might look good. I don't know if I could get a sleeve around this one, but this type of vase. And I've made a couple other ones, which I'm going to show you after I kind of show you how I did this. And then I have a smaller one like this. But I do want to show you the ones that I've made so far, but I will get to that in just a minute. But let me plug in my glue gun. You can see my, okay. All right. Now, the way I like to do it is, because the sleeve part, the end part at the wrist, has like a finished edge. I like that to be like at the around, you know, at the top and not the bottom, because it gives more of a finished look to your vase. So you'll want that to be at the top of your vase. Now, this vase is going to be too big. Let me grab another vase real quick. Alright, what I decided to do, I thought I'd use a tall cylinder type one for this sweater, and like I said, I want to show you the ones that I've already made. But like I said, what you want to do is slip your, well, you could go ahead almost and cut the sleeve off so you don't have to deal with all the whole sleeve right now. Let me go ahead and cut that up. All right. Okay, so all I've got here is the sleeve, and I just cut it longer than I thought I would need, because you're going to want it to be pretty snug. So what you're going to do is you're going to slip that over your vase. All right, and that's kind of what it's going to look like to start with. And then we're going to cut off this excess. And now, let me grab some glue sticks. Make sure I have enough of those. Okay, and you could use kind of, depending on what you want, if you just want to use them for Christmas, you know, you could decorate them Christmas type, or you could do it to where it could be like a fall, Christmas, you know, to where you could use it throughout the whole season. So, but these for me are going to be Christmas. So then what I'm going to do is kind of cut off some of this excess material down here, just so when it's standing up it won't be bunched up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut some slits. and cut some of it away because definitely don't need all of it. So okay, just cut some slits so it's not a lot of excess, you know, bunched up, so it's more flat on your surface. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is what I like to do is I like to start up here and kind of glue this down. And what I'm just going to do is just add a few spots around. So let me do that real quick. Make sure my glue gun's warmed up. Okay. And just add a little, and then just that there. Just so it comes right at the top of the rim. Okay. One more little spot, and that should do it. Oh, no, I guess that's good. Okay, so now that I've got that done, I'm going to flip it upside down, and I'm going to pull it tight because I do want it kind of stretched over the base of over the vase. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gluing this, kind of stretch it, and lay it on there. And I did it to where it was more closer to the edge so I can cut off a lot more excess material that I don't need. Okay, and then do it here, that there so it catches. Cut this extra off. Okay. Some more glue. Cut this extra off. You just don't want a whole bunch because you want it to be able to sit level on your table or your surface. Let me cut off this little. There we go. Let me put this down so it's not sitting up. Okay. And then this last little flap. Okay, now, then what we're going to do is you want to decide how you want it, how to decorate this. Okay. All right, now we're going to decide to decorate this, and of course, like I said, I want to do it kind of Christmassy, so I've got different kind of ribbons and material that I could use. I think I'm going to go with, let's see, I'm going to go with this plaid. I can't stop using this because I just love this plaid. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put, let's see, yeah, I think I want to do it about there. Yeah, let me do that. So I'll cut off enough to go around. And then because I have this seam in the back, I use that for, because I know I want that to be in the back. So I don't know if that'll look better. Kind of like that. No, I think yeah, I definitely like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put some glue on my sweater. Start it there. And then stretch it around. Add some more glue to the sweater and on top of the ribbon here. Stretch it again. And then I'm gonna, there's a little bit extra excess, I'm gonna cut it off. I really like these vases, and I like them. What I've decided to do is kind of do them in a cluster of them, and kind of use some for vases and some for like a candle holder. So that's what I've got there so far. But what I'm going to do is, I have a couple of these bells that I found these at Hobby Lobby. They're kind of a brownish. I thought that might look good up against the sweater. And I'm going to go ahead and use this ribbon. So what I will do is tie these together. What I'm going to do is use my twine here and tie those on there so they kind of hang from there, from the bow. So I will put that on there. Tie that up. Okay, so it'll look like that. I think that'll be cute. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to clip this excess twine, and then get me some glue. Y'all, I made this video and of the other ones I made, and then I made the mistake of making the video too long and it wouldn't let me upload it to my computer. So I thought, well, I'll just make one more so I can show y'all. I like that. I think it's going to look good with the rest of the ones I have. So that's what that one looks like. So I think that's all I want to do to it. And let me get this with the other ones, and then I'll show you those too. Alright, y'all. Here is all the one, I made altogether 4 of them, so I wanted to show you kind of up close. This one in front, that's the one I just showed you how I made it. And this was the first one I made, and it's just a regular vase, and I put like a little piece of I don't know, I bought it from Walmart. It's got a clip on the back, and like a sprig of tree with pine cones and things, and then I just put a candle, a battery operated candle in it. And then this one in back, I had just taken like a large vase and glued the candlestick to it. I added the sleeve to it and added the little bell that I showed you and a piece of ribbon, and then at the top and the bottom I used some like little beads on a string, clear beads up there, and then right there on the top, whoops, yeah, I was focusing on my finger, okay, and then I put some kind of greenery and gold decorations in it. And then this one, the red one here, actually that came off of the sleeve of an kind of a reddish top that I used to have that I don't wear anymore. I thought if I could do it with the sweater, I could do it pretty much with any type of material. So I used that and put a little bit of gold trim at the top and put some bells, and then put some white poinsettia silk flowers in it. So there is my jars. I love them, and I'm definitely going to use them in our house. So you'll see that in my Christmas tour. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe, because I would love for you to see some more of my videos. I have a lot of ideas that I will be making videos with, and I truly appreciate you watching. I really do. Thank you so much. I will see you soon.